The toxic waste of Bhopal gas tragedy has to be burnt and disposed in Pithampur. But in Pithampur, people are constantly protesting against this decision of the government. Right now, we are present near the Bhopal gas factory, Union Carbide factory, and this is the memorial which has been made by the people who suffered from gas tragedy, and it is situated near the Union Carbide factory. In the Friday night, CM Mohan Yadav called out a meeting with the senior leaders of BJP and with the senior authorities of the MP government. CS Anurag Jain, the two deputy chief ministers Jagdish Devda and Rajen Shukla, and also Kailash Vijayvargiya, who is a minister in the MP government, were in the meeting. It has been decided by the government that they will not burn the waste in this time because of the constant protest going on in the Pithampur. Though government has decided that they will inform about all the circumstances to the High Court whenever is the date, they will inform about all the circumstances and tell them that people are constantly protesting against these disposal and what could be done further as the High Court says. Though people are protesting in Pithampur are saying that the disposal and the burning of this waste will contaminate the air and it could harm people in the coming years, days, or in the coming future time. Also, we have seen protesters being burning themselves by pouring the petrol on themselves. Also, some of the protesters stone pelted near the factory. Now the factory has been deployed by a number of police officers there, and they are securing and telling people that they should not protest against this as the government is listening to all what they want. Though the collector, the SP of the district Dhar are constantly having a public dialogue with the people and different organizations in the Pithampur with to the organizations who have been protesting in Pithampur, but also some of the police officers from Indore also reached Pithampur and had a dialogue with the people. CS Anurag Jain, CM Mohan Yadav had decided that their senior leaders like Kailash Vijayvargiya, VD Sharma will go to Pithampur and have a dialogue with the local leaders, the senior leaders of Dhar and Pithampur, and explain them that this will not harm people in the coming days. Also, some of the senior authorities from MP government, like the senior officials from the MP government, has been sent by CM Mohan Yadav and CS Anurag Jain to explain people and have a public dialogue with them. Now this raises a big question that was this public dialogue necessary before this waste and disposal was transferred from Bhopal to Pithampur, because now the situation is getting worse. Though the SP and the collector are saying that there is no issue, everything is fine now, but this raises a question that what will the government tell to the MP High Court, and how will this waste be disposed or burnt in the coming days after the things which have been said by the High Court to the MP government, and what will be the new plan of the government. With camera person Pratik from Bhopal, Amritanshi Joshi for India Today.